On June 1, 2025, Ukraine launched one of the most daring and sophisticated operations of the war, striking deep into the heart of Russia's military infrastructure with drones. In a coordinated series of attacks, Ukraine hit 4 major Russian airbases, Belaya, Olynya, Dyagilevo and Ivanovo, located hundreds, even thousands of miles from Ukraine's borders. Some were as far as Siberia and the Arctic Circle. These strikes weren't launched from Ukrainian soil. Instead, they came from inside Russia. The operation, codenamed Spider's Web or Operation Trojan Trucks, used an ingenious method. Ukrainian operatives smuggled drones into Russia, concealed in sheds mounted on trucks. These mobile launch pads were parked near the airbases. Once in position, the roofs were remotely opened. The drones launched directly from the trucks, striking parked Russian aircraft in a matter of seconds. Ukrainian sources report over 40 military aircraft hit, among them Russia's strategic bombers, the Tu-95, the Tu-22M3, and even a rare A-50 surveillance plane. These aircraft are vital to Russia's long-range missile strikes. According to Ukrainian officials, the strikes destroyed around 34% of Russia's cruise missile carrier fleet and caused an estimated $7 billion in damage. This attack dealt a major blow to Russia's ability to launch long-range missile strikes. Experts say it could temporarily paralyze Russia's bomber fleet, forcing them to relocate aircraft and rethink defense strategies. The timing was also crucial, just before new ceasefire talks in Istanbul. Analysts suggest Ukraine aimed to strengthen its negotiating position by demonstrating its reach and capability. The Russian Ministry of Defense admitted the drones were launched from within close proximity to their airbases, not from Ukraine. Russian commentators criticized their own leadership for allowing such a deep penetration. Some even called the attacks a threat to Russia's nuclear security. This wasn't just a tactical strike. It was a milestone in modern drone warfare, showcasing Ukraine's ability to deceive, infiltrate, and deliver precision attacks deep behind enemy lines. By damaging Russia's bomber fleet, Ukraine has not only disrupted future missile strikes, but also proven it can strike at the very core of Russia's military power. In a war defined by endurance, innovation, and resolve, Ukraine just redrew the map of what's possible.